For our first project, I found this cute little table for about $5 at the thrift store. We're going to start by painting it with Fusion's Rose Water. I will be doing 2 coats of the rose water on this piece. I'm going to do the top, the bottom, the sides, the entire piece in the same color. Okay, now we're going to take this transfer and put it on top of this table. I always have a hard time centering things, so wish me luck. I wanted to see if I could give you a closer look of what you're going to notice when you're using this transfer. You see how it's darker and then it turns light? That's when you know that the transfer is coming off of the paper, or the top part. I know it's not a paper, I can't remember what it's called. Transfer sheet, maybe? Anyway, but if you look here, that's where you see how it's changing color. That's how you know. All right, back to work. I'm sealing up the piece right now with a Varathane water-based sealer. I will say that I ended up distressing this table afterwards, so I sealed it again with Big Top by DIY. It just happened to be what I had out. Here's a look at the finished project. I'm very, very happy with this piece, and I'm glad I chose that pink. For our next project, I have this cute little vase that I got at the thrift store. I started by painting it white, but then decided that I wanted to go a different route. So this is Inglenook by Fusion. Now all I do is take some of the white and I'm dry brushing it onto the details. That's actually the only thing I did additionally to finish up this project, and I think it looks perfect. So it was easy, super easy, and it's a great addition to any decor. And then for the next project, we have this other cute picture that I started by painting with raw silk by Fusion. I've been really excited about finding pictures lately. I'm sure you guys are noticing the trend. I just like the shape of them, and it's kind of fun to see what you can do once you get them all painted up, and kind of almost a blank canvas to start with some of those IOD stamps, which you're going to see me do very shortly. I'm going to be using one of the IOD molds. Stamps. I cannot remember what the name of the stamp pad is. Hang on. Stamp set. It is the Antiquities set. And we're going to be using this cute little one with, it looks like a beehive and some bees buzzing around. And we're going to go ahead and put it on one side of the picture. I figured that way whoever gets this can choose whether or not they want it to be, if they want it to be shown, they can. If they don't like it, they can always use the picture the opposite way. Making sure to stay on there the whole time. All right, here we go. I think I got all the parts. Now we're going to heat set it. And I found a spot. I bet you guys did before I did. Here is a look at our finished project. I hope you enjoyed it, as well as all the rest of the ones in this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.